Hello students, in the previous class we have seen the wave nature of the electromagnetic radiation. Let us discuss about today particle nature of electromagnetic radiation. So generally particle nature was explained by Planck's quantum theory. So this is generally explained by Planck's quantum theory. Okay. So here we have seen that some of the experimental views such as diffraction and interference can be the diffraction and interference mainly explained by wave nature of the electromagnetic radiation. But however, some of the observations which could not be explained with the electromagnetic theory can be explained due to the Planck quantum theory. Here he mainly explains about black body radiation. Okay, so means what? The nature of emission of radiation means whenever the radiation from hot bodies, for example, if you take a closed room, okay, so whenever you take a closed room and you keep a one bowl inside, so when you open a small light, means a small window, so automatically what happens, it will shine. Okay, if you take black color, means what happens, if you take a one bowl in a closed room, automatically it shines. So by this what we can say means here it is a good observer and also good emitter. So it can observe, in the same way it can emit. So that one we call it as black body radiation. Okay, so means what here, he successfully explains about what, he successfully explains about black body radiation. Okay, so black body is nothing but what here, it is a good observer. Black body radiation mainly good observer and good emitter, we can say. Okay, so generally if you take a ideal black body, so what I have told you, general example if we are taking, so means what here, so generally if you take an ideal black body, okay, an empty black body which is a hollow sphere, we can say sphere. Okay, so it is coated inside with platinum black, which is having a small holes. Hollow sphere coated with a platinum black and having a small holes inside. So for example, this is a sphere, so which is coated with a platinum. So this is coated with platinum. We are taking a ideal sphere, this is coated with platinum, and we are having small holes. These are holes. So then what happens here, this radiation, whenever the radiation is passing, whenever the sunlight is when you keep in a dark room, so automatically the sunlight is passing. So whenever the radiation is passing, the sunlight, so it will absorb, means it is shining. So by this what we can say is nothing but here we should know about the intensity of the, means the wavelength. First of all we should know, then we should have to draw the graph. So the graph is drawn like this. This is on y-axis, we are taking intensity, On x-axis we are taking wavelength. So the wavelength is drawn against intensity of radiation. So at any temperature the intensity increases with the wavelength. So means whenever, if you take any temperature here, the wavelength is increasing and it reaches a maximum point and then it decreases. For example, at 0 degrees you are taking the intensity increasing and suddenly it decreases at a maximum point. And also, so let us take this one, T1 and T2. Why? Because at maximum temperature what happens? It is decreasing. Yes or no? So here some 1000, here 1002, like that we are taking. So when you plotting intensity and wavelength on x-axis, so the intensity is increasing at any temperature, but at certain point whenever the wavelength reaches a maximum point it suddenly decreases. So by this what we can say means, as temperature increases the curve shift towards the, whenever the temperature is going to increase, so the curve shift to means the wavelength is decreases. So as temperature increases the wavelength is decreasing. So whenever the particle in the black body does not emit energy continuously, he have told. So what I have told you, black body is a good absorber and good emitter, I have told. So by this what we can say, the particle, whatever particle we are taking here, the particle in the black body does not emit energy continuously. So the energy, the particle in the black body does not emit energy continuously. Okay, so by this what we can say, we are having one formula, the energy is emitted or absorbed by a body is nothing but what here, integral multiple of integral multiples of small packets called quantum. So means what, whether it is absorbing energy or it is emitting, so whether it is absorbing or releasing energy. So this is a multiple of small packets, we call it as what here, quantum. So for example, the formula is nothing but E is equals to NH mu, where E is nothing but here energy, N is number of integers we are taking 1 0 1 2 3 like that. If you have taken, mu is nothing but frequency of the radiation, and H is nothing but Planck's constant. Okay, so this is having constant value, that is 6.6256 into 10 to the power minus 27 erg second, or we can write gram centimeter square per second. So whether you can write this one, or you will be having value 6.6256 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, or kg meter square per second. Okay, so this is nothing but what, Planck's quantum theory. This is for n moles. If you are taking one quantum energy, we are having E is equals to h mu. So means this is about particle nature, which is explained by Planck's quantum theory. And when electrons are entering, so that one will be explained by photoelectric effect. Tomorrow let us discuss about photoelectric effect. Thank you.